All right, in this video, we're going to show how you can use Carlson CADnet to bring in a PDF and put it to scale so you can start working with it if you hadn't received the CAD file yet. Right now I'm in the Civil module, so I'm going to go up here and click on my CADnet module and tell it I want to import a PDF. So I'm going to do import PDF file. Now I'm going to find my PDF. And open. All right, so here is the here's all the options. We don't want to import all pages. You can edit a color table for the layer. Go ahead and join up all the line work. I really want to keep that checked, or you'll have broken lines everywhere. Usually don't need to reduce the vertices on it. If you had a overall image you wanted to include in it, KMZ or something, you can. But we'll do, we're good with this. So we'll do insert line work. And I know on my site plans, I've got the PDF pulled up on another screen here. I'm going to do from page 5 to page 5 and OK. So let's pick a point to insert PDF. We could type it in if we had a base point where we went out and did a survey beforehand, but if you just want to work with it and move it to it later, you can just click anywhere. Same thing with rotation angle. You can define an angle or enter in your bearing. I'm just going to leave it 0. All right, and the scale, if I look on here, we can see that this is a 20 scale. So we'll do 20. All right, it's joining up all the line work, and now it's done. So got it all loaded in, ready to check some stuff. So that's basically it. So now we've got it. You see the line works joined up for the building, and you're going to have some segments like this on the curve. You'll have to go in where you might have some overlapping lines or the endpoints don't join up. So you can go in and do your join nearest and fix all those little issues. And get where you have your continuous polylines going all the way around, and then you're ready to switch back over to Civil or Survey or whatever you're using to start working. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer. Have a good day.